everybody, and welcome to Quick Tip Tuesday. So today my tip is about how to create a very simple winged eyeliner for aging eyes, vintage eyes, hooded eyes. I seem to have very small eyes. It's funny because a lot of what I see out there are tutorials on young, perfect eyes. And in reality, most of us don't have that. So to get started, I'm going to use my Precisely Point eyeline. And I absolutely love this eyeliner because if you see, it's got a very fine felt tip point. I find that this is easy for the average person to kind of hold on to and draw the perfect line. Okay, so a couple things that I just want to point out before I get started is if you look at my eye shape, I don't really have a very large mobile lid. So if you are like me and your eyes are shaped similar to mine, you do not want to put so much eyeliner that you can no longer see your mobile lid, unless you're going for that look. But I like to always do things that make my eyes look a little bit more open. You'll also notice that this is a very everyday wearable wing. It's not really something that you have to just wait for a special occasion to do. You can really pair it with any kind of colored eyeshadow, any outfit that you're wearing. I'm just going to be on Zoom calls all day, and this is how I'm going to wear my eye makeup. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing that I want you to do is look at your eye shape and follow where your bottom of your eye goes. And if it would keep going up, what I want you to do is just put a little dot there. So that is where your wing is going to be. If you wanted it to be a little bit more dramatic, you could just do it a little bit higher. Okay, then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to actually kind of tilt my head back and look down. And I'm going to just start in the inner corner. And basically what I'm doing is almost laying this eyeliner on its side, just dragging it as close to the lash line as I can get. But I am stopping before I get to the end of my lash line. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold my pen this way, and I'm going to actually go in from that dot, and I'm gonna drag that in. Okay, because you can see how that's forming. And then what you wanna do is you just want to even out that line, kind of build it up a little bit. So I know what you're probably thinking, why isn't she pulling on her eye? I actually don't teach that way. I do have some, I guess, gathering of my skin, and it can make it look just a little bit bumpy. And it's not good to tug on your eye area. It is very fragile. Okay, and once you have that line, then what you're going to do is you're going to just drag the bottom into your lower lash line. And fill that in. And there you have it. That is my wearable wing eyeliner, and that is my Quick Tip Tuesday. Oh, and for those of you that have issues with your eyeliner transferring up because you have hooded eyelids, or if you have, issues with your eyes watering and your eyeliner running, check this out. This stuff does not smudge, it does not budge, and actually if I would put my hand underwater, it would still be a line just like this. So if you're interested in getting some of this eyeliner, let me know. I can hook you up. Bye!